Dun, 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 dun. Jaws is coming, Jaws is coming, Jaws is coming.
Okay, I'm telling you, homie, the gas is right. Why do all these niggas want me to rap my fucking life? Man, I'm all up on this shit, homeboy, I'm tucking on your guy. Man, I'm coming through this shit, I'm praying, looking at the sky. Gotta do this shit, right, homie, I'm always straight and folding plans. I come up through, get on your knees and start folding your hands. I'm telling you, cause you're fucking with some straight real G's. Taking your money, your keys, get on your fucking knees and just pray to the Lord that my shit a jam. It's all good, I'm killing you in the fucking closet hiding, man. Man, I'm all up on this shit, homeboy, I'm faking your plus. I'm straight coming through, I'm stealing your car and taking your drugs. Hold on, shit recording me as I'm freestyling. I'm wilding off the top of the dome, running your home while you alone. We straight crossing traffic, homie, man. Get me fucking ticket, man. I'm telling you, this fucking freestyle is so wicked. I'm straight coming through, homeboy, I'm stunting on Paul. I'm straight dipping from San Diego, police jumping some walls. Telling you, homeboy, fucking with me is nothing but trouble. If you want me, go grab my niggas, we rapping it double. Hold on, telling you, I'm always on this shit, straight steady steering wheels. And the only thing I really need is a fucking record deal. And it's all good, homeboy, all that shit is insane. If I get a record deal, homie, all my niggas is safe. Have the bitches right on hitting the switches. In the fofo, that Impala, you know, though. All up on shit, ditches, snitches. It's all good, I'm straight running up out of breath. But this rapping thing, when it comes to law, is rapping till ain't nothing left. So it's all good, I'm straight dipping. I got them gold D's. All up on this shit, I'm only with YGs and some OGs. So it's all good, you know me. I'm in the middle, homie, menace slope. Y'all know me, 19, I'm no more little. Yeah.